Today I will give you an secret trick how to get views very fast and instant. Now see my proof. You can easily see that I uploaded video on 10th October and it just got 808,000 views in just 2 days. Getting more views or getting more subscribers on YouTube is very difficult for new person. If you follow my steps and upload video like me, then you will get views like me very easily. You can do that. You can do 100,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 views in a day. It is not a difficult task. So let's go. So the first step is that you just need to go on Google Chrome browser and type Google Trends. Google Trends. Trends.google.com. This website will give you and more information about your video, how your video will go up. So now click on explore button. Now search your title or your video's thumbnail. So I uploads basically videos how to grow on YouTube. How to grow on YouTube. So it will give me the graph of my subscribers or viewers all over the world. So here is a graph that is showing that how much people is searching this topic or this word. Here is a region or countries, which countries are searching for how to grow on YouTube. So Nigeria country is searching more and more to grow on YouTube. So basically, so that I am uploading this video in English language. And next step, here is a topic. All these topic of your thumbnails or your titles, how to grow on YouTube. So you can find your topic very easily. Just search your title or your video topic on trends.google.com and copy all the ranking and all the top words and paste in your title. It is a very easy and clear trick from Google. It is not providing me from Google.